Hi everybody. So today I'm updating for the last 3 days, days 8 through 10. Uh, Believe it or not, actually I did an update yesterday, but it didn't get recorded, and then I had no energy to do one more. So too bad. So I'm combining days 8, 9, and 10 today in one update. Uh, I would say things are getting better, but my knee still hurts. I finally figured out that I'm not gonna try to not take pain medications. Actually, today I am staying away from Tylenol and ibuprofen because I felt like they were not good for my stomach. So today I am just on oxycodone, but I haven't taken it since like 5 a.m. So since 5 or 6 a.m. I haven't taken anything. It's bearable, but I know for the night I will have to take some oxycodone again, uh, which is okay. I think oxycodone is better for my stomach than the ibuprofen. So it's been 10 days now since I've been on meds, and I think it's getting too long. So I'm trying to. I'll probably do oxycodone for just the night and nothing else during the day and see how things are and kind of go from there. Uh, Knee still swollen. I am wearing the compression sleeve on the knee. Uh, the range of motion very limited. I am still spending most of my time on the sofa. I've been able to sit up a little more just because of the compression sleeve. I'm trying to I'm catching up with all my emails, and that's about all I can do really. Uh, Trying to do exercises every day. I think that's the key. I'm not doing as much as I should probably, so hopefully today is going to be a better day. So let's jump right to it. So I'll start today with a few exercises that I have not done before, and then kind of go from there. Okay. So the first exercise I wanted to show you is just baby squats. Just a little bit. You can use the walker, you can use anything really. And so I'm holding on to the walker. You can see I have the compression sleeve, not all the way, it should be all the way here, but it's too tight up there. And I really need it mostly on my knee and on my calf. So okay. So just do down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm using a little bit of my thigh muscles to go up and down. Weight is evenly distributed between my two legs. And combination and another variation on this slightly is doing calf raises. So just to tighten the muscles, improve the blood flow. And you can see I'm not using my hands, so I have 50% of my weight on the repaired leg. Okay, that's good. And the other thing I'm working on, just for my back, a little bit of a scale. And I mean, in this case, I can kind of let go, but I have the walker right here in case I need it, so I can hold on to it like now if I'm losing my balance. And this is really good for my lower back, and actually if I keep my arms, also upper back. I cannot do it on my other leg, obviously, but if I'm really careful, I have like 75% of my weight on the repaired leg. And so notice I put my arms lower. I'm really balancing now, but exercising the glutes, lower back. Okay, so those are the exercises that I've never done. Then, okay, let's do the ones that I'm supposed to do. Okay, put this aside for a little bit. Still using my belt. I would not be able to do anything without it. And these exercises, I'm actually supposed to do them lying down, but in order for me to fit into the frame and stuff, I'll just do them sitting up. So, first one is the heel slides. I'm supposed to do 25, I think. It's definitely better to see. Now this is as far as I go, and it's really tight. It's really tight right here, and it has nothing to do with. Okay, if I take this off, I can go a tiny bit further, but not much. So keep it on. Okay, 9, 10. Okay, and I think the next one is quad isometrics. Let me see. Yep. Again, these are supposed to be done lying down, but just for today, I'll do them sitting up. Or half lying down. How is that? Okay. So I'm tightening these muscles. 1, 2, and pressing the towels here down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this hurts. Like when I'm pressing the towel, it actually hurts right here. This is the painful part. But you know, I need to be able to straighten my leg eventually, so it's all good. Next, I think is the actually it's well, let's do the ankle pumps. I'm supposed to do like 30, and you know, I do them front and back. I actually, you know, circle my ankles one way, the other way. Kind of just move. I don't think the direction really matters, as long as you moving and as long as the blood is flowing. So that's the other exercise. And then I have 2 more that I'm supposed to do, but really I don't have any strength here in my thigh muscles. So I came up with this invention. So this is an exercise band, and I put it on the walker. So it kind of holds my leg, you know, and comes back. It helps a little bit for the leg to come up. So let's see how it helps. So lift my leg, bring the cart. Okay. So I can do the leg raises. So my leg is resting, and I do 1, 2. Notice I can't really go very far. 3. I'm trying to engage these muscles to lift my leg. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Okay. So those were the leg raises, and then there's also leg extensions. For that, I'll actually slightly adjust and use just one side of the band. And I mean, I could have probably used it to go up as well, but this one is little, actually much less support. So let's see if I can do the extensions. The leg extensions, I think I'm supposed to do like 10 or something. Wow. You can see I can move it a little bit, which is actually better than I expected. But it's, wow. Let me see if I can help a little bit, making it tighter. Boy. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this hurts. This hurts a lot. But anyhow, so these are the exercises that I do for my leg, and I showed you the other ones. As usual, I do, all body workout. I try to. So I'll just do a few things. Start with push-ups. I can do the full push-ups, or you can do just the, incline push-ups. And notice my leg is gonna be just resting here, relaxing. I'll just do my push-ups. Okay, so yeah, that wasn't too bad. And so I did all my leg exercises, so I can keep them here. I can do my usual, I really need to do these, how do you say, flies. So just for my upper back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And notice that, my leg is really very light. So I just keep it to keep a little bit of weight to keep the balance. That's about it. And then we can do I can use essentially anything to kind of move around. So these are the rows. There's 2 weights in one hand. And you can do triceps extension. And switch. And I'll still keep all my weight on the left leg, so I have to put my right leg back. And do the rows on the other side. And the extensions. Roughly, okay. And then some of the exercises I can actually do seated, which is good. So it gives my leg a little bit of a break. So my favorite is the bicep and push up. Excellent. And then I can do one more thing. Just take the lighter weights and do shoulders. Hold on. So one thing I discovered, if you cannot reach your belt with the crutch, I can kind of actually help to bring the leg forward. So I can use the crutch, upside down crutch, to help lifting the leg. So anyway, for the shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I promise I'll do more of these after I stop the video. You don't have to watch me do 20 or 30 reps. But that's pretty much it. So I did, a little bit of calves, a little of thigh, some glutes and some hamstrings, and some back, upper back, shoulders, biceps, triceps, deltoids. So kind of quick all body workout given the restrictions with the leg. I think it's much better than just lying in bed, and hopefully this will speed the recovery. So wish me luck, and I'll talk to you again in a few days. One more. Man. This clicker is stubborn.